Hello and welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Taylor, and today I'm actually going to be going over a video that I went over. It's probably been about 2 months now since I came out with that video, but it was about stickr. It's basically a big old sticker that you stick on the back of your window in your car, and the company pays you to advertise for them, and so you can make passive income that way each month. And so I did a video about that about 2 months ago, and I'll link it up here in the description or in the card above. If you're interested, you can go check out that video and learn more about it. But it's pretty simple. What you do is you basically sign up, you put a sticker on the back of your window, and when you drive around, they pay you for just simply driving around. So it's a pretty simple way of making just some extra money. And I've gotten quite a few comments recently about kind of how it's going, and to just give an update on it. Basically, that's what this video is going to be about. Is I'm just going to go over any complaints I've had, how well it's been going, how much I'm getting paid, and just kind of all of that as well. So I'll even show you some screenshots of what I've been paid. I've been doing this for about a month and a half, I guess, is what it's come out to be. We're about halfway through February now, and so yeah, it's been about a month and a half since I've started this. And I will say that you make a lot more in gift cards to restaurants near you than you do in actual cash that they pay you. And so that's just something to keep in mind. Well, obviously I don't really mind it because I like to eat out, and gift cards are nice as well. So but before we do anything else, let's just jump right in, and I'll show you kind of some screenshots of what I've been paid so far. All right, so taking a look at my stickr account, we can see that in gift cards in December I was paid $75, and then again in January I was paid another $75 in gift cards. And you can just click there to redeem them for which store or which restaurant you want. So in total there I was paid $150 in gift cards. And then in earnings for cash, they just pay you out through PayPal. So in December, they pay you on the 5th of every month for the previous month. So I was only paid for December. I was paid on January 1st. So December I started, I think, halfway through. And so I was paid $10.87 for that half month. And then for January, I was paid $14.07. So like I said, not huge amounts. And then you can just see to cash them out. That's what it was. So you weren't paid tons, but again, it's easy money. You literally don't do anything for it. And you get paid to have a sticker on your car. So that's kind of what it is. And now let's go over kind of my complaints or anything else that I like or dislike about the company. So I hope you guys enjoyed me just showing you kind of exactly what I've made off of it. It hasn't been as much as I've hoped. And that's probably one of the things that is my biggest problem with them, is they kind of focused a lot on oh, you can be making $500 a month from this. And as you've seen from the screenshots, that's just simply not what's been paid out. Obviously I'm making a lot more in gift cards than I am in money. The first month it was only $10, or in the second month it's 14, so it has been going up very small. And I guess I can't really complain that much because I'm literally doing nothing. I'm just sitting on the back of my car and making money from it. But obviously I'd love it to be a lot more. I haven't had a whole lot of complaints about the company besides just kind of them over promising that you'll make a ton of money from this. But the one thing that I have noticed is I live in a very snowy place. And so if I don't drive my car every single day, or if I don't go and clear it off as soon as it snows or whatever, then that does kind of become a problem, because the snow will sit on the car and it kind of makes the sticker a little wet or whatever, and so it kind of peels up a little bit on the edges. But I guess that hasn't been a huge problem. It's only happened twice. I just kind of put it back down, and if it does come up, or if it peels off or anything, I bought the kind of the premium package, so I get everything for free basically. So I just email them, say, hey, I need a new one, and they send a new one to me within the week. So that hasn't been a huge issue, but other than that, those are kind of the main updates or the main complaints that I've had with the company. Like I've stated before, it's not something that you're going to make $500 at like they've kind of promised, but you can make a lot in gift cards, $75 a month in gift cards, and then just very small amount of cash. So helps to pay for some air fresheners or whatever else you want it with your car, a pack of gum for the car. But for those of you that have signed up and wanted me to do this video, kind of here's the update of it. You're going to make a lot more in gift cards than you are in cash, and that's just kind of simple. Going forward into the future, I plan to just stay with it. I mean, it's not hurting anything. It's not hurting my car. It's just a nice extra $10-15 a month, easy meal out, date night or whatever. And so I'll probably just stick with it and just continue to leave it on my car and get that money every month. And hopefully it continues to grow from 10, 15, 20, 25. If it continues to grow like that, then I mean, I'll be happy. I can't really complain a whole lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully that this answers all the questions that you guys had about kind of the business and what it is. And this is the update for you. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you guys next time.